Dr. Winters here, and I wanted to share with you a device that I'm using for children with sensory needs and for adults with problems with snoring or not having good nasal breathing. It's called a Myo Munchee, M-Y-O-M-U-N-C-H-E-E, Myo Munchee, and you can see it at myomunchee.com. I don't have any affiliation with them, just that I use it myself and that we have some young and some middle-aged patients using it, all reporting that it helps them in different ways. So many times we need to exercise, be able to exercise our tongue, get our tongue to rest in the right place so that we can breathe through our nose instead of through our mouth, and this promotes that. And if you look at it, you can see all the sensory input that the mouth is going to receive. The sensory input in the brain from the mouth is huge. And so kids with sensory challenges that we're trying to integrate the sensory nervous system, it's a big deal. And so you place it in your mouth, and you learn to use it passively for a little bit, and then you learn to chew with it. And although I don't think explain it this way on their website, one of the thoughts is that it may help develop stem cells in the sinuses and open up your structures in the face some, and it definitely helps promote nasal breathing. I notice I breathe better at night, and during the day I'll catch myself sometimes like, oh, I don't need to breathe out of my mouth. I can just breathe out of my nose. It really makes you aware of that, and it definitely helps that. So we've had multiple people tell us that even in a short time their partner says they're not snoring as much. And so it seems a very useful tool. It's about $80, myomunchee.com. Again, I have no affiliation with them whatsoever. But you can use it for about 10 minutes a day, chew with it, and it has a lot of neurological benefits for you. So I just wanted to share that with you, especially if it's a child needs sensory integration or an adult that doesn't breathe good nasally. This could be a real benefit, and I hope you'll take a look at it.